Hi, good afternoon. My presentation is my favorite artist. My name is Winder Alexander Rivera Reyes. I am 32 years old, and at the moment I study system engineer in Systemer 10. I work now in Choker company, where I work as an automation test analytic. My favorite artist is Gustavo Cerati. He was an Argentine musician, singer, songwriter, and record producer who gained international recognition for having been the leader, vocalist, composer, and guitarist of the rock band Soda Stereo. Some of the specialists, press and musicians consider him one of the most influential artists of Latin America, rock and for forerunners of electronic music on the continent. Influenced by the Beatles and the Police, Cerati joined various groups since his adolescence, and in 1982 he founded the Latin rock band Soda Stereo. Interview question: how did Rocken, you parallel electronic band come about? Are you going to continue playing with her? It could be. I don't rule it out, but now it is impossible for me due to lack of time. I am focused on the presentation of the album and the tours. Rocken was formed during the tour of Siempre Hoy. To question what interests you most about electronic music, why do you support new artists like Leandro Fresco and Flavio etc. I believe that music goes for beyond the instruments used to make it, the definite its character, but don't restrict imaginative space or sensitive. It seemed to me that in the 90s, electronic server to break the rules a bit. Three question. I saw you at the last Southfest. Who is your favorite international DJ? The German Michael Mayer. I also really like Plastic, Plastic Man, Egg, Rich Hafting. The problem is the place where you generally have to go to listen to them when they come. Thank you very much.